245, 8 over 1.
Clear on 8 Is the vehicle occupied?
Negative, both occupants are out of the vehicle.
Receive.
North 212, Central.
212.
Second service, 5 and 7.
Clear 5 and 7.
You're welcome. What's going on?
Okay, there was something in the road. I don't know what it was, but I couldn't see it. It looked like smoke or something.
It's a huge pothole.
It was in the oh, it's blood!
Yeah, it's a big. That's why I put some cone. I put some cone around it so people can see it. Yes, ma'am.
I thought I'd lost my tire. I didn't
No.
know.
No, it's good. It's good.
God bless you! Thank you!
Yes, ma'am. Edwards.
Edward,
Yes, ma'am.
you take care. Thank you.
Alrighty, I like it. I like it. Hopefully you have a better night, okay?
Yes.
Alrighty, man. Alright? Got a flat?
Do you see on the, I haven't gotten out there. I think it's on the left side here.
It's on the right side right here.
Okay.
Yeah, it's that.
I haven't seen that. Are you able to see it? If it's on the left as well?
Alright, just give me 1 second. Let me check it, okay?
Thank you.
Here, 230, copy, transit motors. 25 westbound at 400 north. 25 westbound at 400 north. Car DOT, send me a white color SUV blocking the right lane just before the exit with a flat tire. Possibly in the bore.
Okay. It's kind of dangerous right here. Hold on, let me check. You see, just as you go around the corner, there's a whole bunch of barrels that you could pull out the roadway, and you'll probably be safe right there. Let me check with them and see if they could do the same thing, and then I'll have all of y'all just move down to the yes, last.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, what's up, man? You caught a flat?
Yeah, I don't know what's up in the road.
It's a
up there.
pothole.
Huh?
A pothole?
It was a pothole?
Yes, man. Yes, sir. I just put some cones around it so no one else get into it.
Okay, I appreciate that.
It's kind of dangerous here. Just as you go around the corner right here, there's a little, there's some barrels.
My car is completely flat. I can't get out of there.
Yeah, but you can't stay here. It's dangerous right here. I'm scared being here.
Yeah, well, I don't know.
And there's light behind you, you know what I mean?
How can I get my car over there?
I don't know if you could just like slowly drive it. I don't know. That's the only option. Or I could call a tow truck.
Here, 220, 689.
But even with the tow truck, they're still gonna be like scared to pick up your car right here.
Yeah, I know the tow truck.
What you could do is have the tow truck probably tow you to like a gas station, and then you could have AAA or one of them, or have it changed there. You have a spare?
Yeah, I don't have a spare. Yeah, I didn't get a tow truck to take me. I got my insurance company to call a tow truck.
Shot on this here, 220, 689.
Insurance company to get a tow truck coming. I'm just waiting for it to come get me.
I promise you, insurance company is not gonna send a tow truck tonight for you. What you could do though is have them tow you to like the gas station where it's closer, and then you could have your tow truck pick you up from there. But you're gonna have to pay them upfront.
Okay. So what tow truck do you have? Do you have a
Sure,
tow truck
240,
coming?
210. Huh?
You have a tow truck coming?
Breezy.
Yeah, I have a tow truck coming to assist whoever he can assist. But like I said, you have to pay him up front, and then your insurance company normally would be the one to reimburse you for that money.
Okay.
Shot on this here, 240.
Let me check with them up front and see if they could. Hey, you got a flat?
Yeah, the parents.
Yeah.
Shot on this here, 240.
Go ahead, this is your 240.
240, can you confirm if you passed a white in color SUV, possibly blocking the right lane or in the bore with a flat tire?
Hey, from they just pulled in front of me.
Breezy.
Oh, you got a spare? Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna hook her up with a spare and be on our way.
Okay. Alright, let me check with them up front. You guys not hurt, right?
No.
Okay.
What was in the road?
There's a pothole. Yeah, there's a huge pothole back there. Hey, what's up, man? There was a huge pothole back there. Like it's chopping people's tire like crazy.
Which, the one...
Check out store 240 and unit 289.
Barrels right there, just like you're turning into
40,
exit,
oh,
right there, right up
Is
there.
it the one where it looks like they're trying to fill it with concrete?
Yeah.
And it broke apart again?
Yeah, so I put some cones around it so no one else goes in it for tonight also.
Okay.
None of them are working tonight, so my MPC, they're not working tonight, so I can't get
Someone's
anyone on.
Jersey 30 to 240.
I'm gonna go check with these people up front, see if they're okay. See how
okay, you just got here?
Yeah, I just got
Oh,
here.
okay.
CR 240.
Sure, 240.
Okay, 240. Are you on the exit ramp or are you out on 35?
Sure, 240. Could you repeat your last traffic?
Are you on the exit ramp or are you out on 285?
Negative, I'm on 285.
Here, I'm around you.
You guys got a flat?
Yeah.
Two? Oh. You want me to call a tow truck to get you guys out of here?
I've got roadside assistance on the way.
How long did they give an ETA?
They gave 16 minutes.
16?
30 minutes ago.
Huh?
They gave 60 minutes about 30 minutes ago. We were the first car in the block.
Okay. Let me check with them, see if they're okay also, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back. Huh?
That's her parents' car.
Okay.
They came here to help her.
Oh, they came here to help?
Yeah. I figure we probably have everyone just slowly crawl up where that right shoulder kind of opens back up down there.
Yeah, most of them kind of afraid to drive because this one has two flat.
Yeah, they're just kind of crawling. We can't.
Because
we're
you
not
can't do
gonna sit
anything
here
right
all
here.
night,
Yeah.
especially through here. So they're gonna have to deal with it.
Alrighty. I know you guys have a flat, but you guys probably gonna have to slowly drive. There's some barrier up there. You know what I'm saying? So as soon as you go around the corner, there's some barrier right there. I'm gonna have you guys pull off over there, okay? But not right now. I'm gonna tell you when.
Okay.
Because it's kind of dangerous right here.
Yeah, that's what we
It's
called. That's why at
it's
first they were
dangerous.
saying they wanted to come help us. And no, we're on the road. We need like
It's dangerous right here.
yeah.
I'm scared of here.
People are honking at us like it's our fault.
Huh?
Do they need to know if my husband can help them? Or they want
We're gonna have everyone pull off down there because right here is dangerous. It's narrow right here. So if a trailer comes here, they can't stop. It's gonna take out everything that's right here. So we're gonna have everyone pull down to where there's some barriers right there. As soon as they go in the corner, you will see where the barrier is at, where they could pull off the road.
Okay.
And then we'll figure it out from there.
Yeah. So do you need me to move my car?
Yeah, I'll probably go down there because I'm gonna have everyone come down here. Okay?
I told them what we're doing. They're taking the jack off.
Okay.
So we'll just slowly crawl up. I'll stay behind you guys.
Okay. When you hear my sirens, then you guys could just slowly start moving, okay?
Okay. What? Are you escorting us to this place? Yeah, we're gonna stay behind you guys. Where to go where? So, just up around this curve here, right before
Sure, 240 check on.
CR 240.
I have a total of 5 vehicles with flat tires. We're having them move to the shoulder.
I don't know when they're gonna block it. go fast, just max 5 miles an hour. Okay. Yeah. We're just everyone stay in line, stay in this lane, and we're gonna stay behind you guys. All right. So we're gonna move everyone up, just a few miles an hour. Just follow them. Just around this curve, there's gonna be a wide right shoulder that opens up. It'll kind of look like a construction zone. Just pull into there out of the lane. We're gonna stay behind you guys, all right?
Shercom Floor 240 in unit, so you may do that.
45th.
32.
220, show units per 10 ahead.
Clear, Major.
R6.
R6.
R6, 240 or no, 220 or 5 injuries on that accident. 220 R6. It's going to be minor injuries, both wanting to be transported. R6 and clear, thank you.
Cherokee 30, I'm out with 240. 230, collect.